everybody! I know that many of you are going to be like, Mario, are you crazy? How can you say smartphones are better than dedicated cameras? I know. I will make another video that is actually going to be the opposite of this one. But for this one, please hear me out. In the age of technology and artificial intelligence, photography has become more accessible than ever. While mirrorless cameras have long been the favorite of enthusiasts and professionals alike, smartphone photography has been rapidly closing the gap. Here are 5 reasons why smartphone photography is better than mirrorless photography. One of the most obvious advantages of smartphone photography is the portability and convenience it offers. A smartphone fits in your pocket, allowing you to capture moments spontaneously wherever you go. On the other hand, mirrorless cameras require separate bags and accessories, making them cumbersome to carry around. And I know what I'm talking about. I just came back from a road trip in Hungary, and my goal was to use just my phone. And you know what? I am very pleased with the results. By the way, I'm gonna start posting these pictures on Instagram, and be patient because I just came back 2 days ago, so I'm gonna start posting them very soon, so don't worry, okay? Smartphones are always ready to shoot. With instant access to your camera app, you can capture fleeting moments without any delay. Mirrorless cameras, on the other hand, require you to power them on and adjust settings before you can start shooting, potentially causing you to miss the perfect shot. I don't even know how many times that happened to me. Smartphones offer seamless integration with all photography apps and social media platforms. From editing tools to instant sharing, everything you need is at your fingertips. Mirrorless cameras often require transferring images to your computer for editing and uploading, adding unnecessary steps to the process. I use a couple of apps for editing pictures on the go, so I will leave you the link around here of a video that I did explaining all of that and which one is my favorite and everything. The rapid advancements in smartphone camera technology have narrowed the gap between smartphones and dedicated cameras. Many flagship smartphones now have multiple cameras, advanced image processing algorithms, artificial intelligence already integrated in the cameras, and features like night mode and portrait mode, delivering stunning results comparable to mirrorless cameras. Last but not least, smartphones are more accessible and affordable than mirrorless cameras. Almost everyone owns a smartphone, making it the most accessible tool for capturing memories. Additionally, the cost of a flagship smartphone with a high-quality camera is often lower than that of a mirrorless camera with comparable features. While mirrorless cameras undoubtedly offer superior image quality and versatility, smartphone photography has its own set of advantages that make it a preferred choice for many. Now, I would like to know your opinion, so let me know in the comments, but before you give your opinion, I want you to know that another video is coming with 5 reasons why mirrorless cameras are better than smartphone photography, so like this you can decide, and like this you can understand what was my point. Until next week.